Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get extra $10k plus monthly recurring revenue using short-form content plus personal brand monetization system. So first of all, we need to build a personal brand on social media. As you can see, I already have a personal brand on every social media platform possible, but I only showed there 3 social media platforms that I use the most. So first of all, there's Instagram account, YouTube and TikTok. I also use Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook. But with our clients, we're mainly focusing with these 3 platforms. So we need to post as much as we can. I highly recommend posting at least 1 short reel or TikTok per day, and also adding some stories to your account and really engaging with your audience. So like, as you can see on my profile, there's tweets from my Twitter, the reels, and also a photo showing me that I am a real person with the description where I talk about entrepreneurship and topics that are related to that. So after we have gained some audience through our personal brand on social media, then we can create a private community, as I also have my private community on Discord. It really depends on what your target audience is, how old they are, and what technology they use. So when you have people like that are young, then I highly recommend doing a Discord server for them. But if your audience is like 30 years or even more, then I would recommend creating a Facebook group. And what you can do in this group is to engage with your audience, answer the question. They will start talking with themselves on a daily basis. They will ask questions, some of other group members will answer those questions. You can also include, as I have in my Discord server, an automatization to notify the group members that you post a new video, that you post on a product, that you launch a new, for example, webinar that you will have. And there's a huge possibility of doing just everything that you want and just engage with your audience as much as possible. And the best thing is that every person that joins this private community is a warm prospect. So like, if you will try to sell something to them that will be related to their pain points and will solve the problems, I would say that we have seen the results that something around 3 to 5% of the group is converting into sales. So that's a huge benefit from creating a personal brand monetization system using the private community. We're also creating the website for you, so you have some value. It could be a free ebook, it could be a webinar, unpublished video that only the person that will pass the data will get access to, and also you can give them the free course. So like, they will have to pass the full name, email address, and optionally phone number, and then you will give them the access to the value. And after that, we are doing outreach to warm prospects. So like, you have a list of people that they have taken the value from the opt-in, and we have a list of their emails and first last names. We are creating a campaign, we are mainly using Instantly for it, and we are just outreaching to them, creating campaigns, doing copywriting, buying domains for you, setting up emails and managing all of it. And this is some of the results that we have got. So like, there's 300 contact persons and it converted to over 17 interested prospects. So like, this result is amazing. It's something around 5% interested prospects for all the emails sent. So yeah, basically it's all that I have for you guys today. So if you want to learn more about how we can help you create a personal brand on social media platforms using short-form content plus implement our personal brand monetization system, then feel free to schedule a quick call with us. There's a link to our calendar in the bottom of our page. So yeah, just check it out and have a nice day, you all.